Okay, the long-awaited San Antonio Riverwalk boat cruise. Enjoy this video. All right, everybody, remember the Alamo. That's the gift shop entrance. The back is side is over there under construction. But yeah, we're at the Alamo in downtown San Antonio. We're about to park and get on the Riverwalk. It's a neat view of the Riverwalk here in San Antonio. We're in the mall and we're about to walk down to it and walk along here. Okay, we're on the Riverwalk. I'm going to repeat what my friend said. It's full of bars and restaurants.
There is a boat ride.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool.
And we can buy tickets there if you want to go on it. So let's cross this little bridge.
We're going to cross a little bridge. Okay. Not sure what we're doing. I'm just following my leader here. Apparently we're crossing this.
Yeah. So like already established, like I don't think you can go there.
Ooh. I can't believe I'm here. Let's see what, ooh. Look at that. That beautiful tree. The beautiful river. All right.
The flagpole off and put a mast up there. And what did they park there? A blimp at one time. They did. They parked a blimp up there. David Dwight becomes president. They redo the floor. They put the flagpole up. Voila. This is going to be, oh, last year it sold to the philanthropist of San Antonio, BJ Red McComb, my former boss. He owned 600 stations, Clear Channel Radio. He owned the Spurs, the Minnesota Vikings. He also owned the Oilers in the 80s, the Houston Oilers. He died at 96 last year. That guy right there was awesome. He gave money. He took care of a lot of people. BJ Red McComb. Awesome. We're building up in front of us in the green room. Everybody, that's the Bexar County Courthouse there. BEXAR Bear, not Bexar. Believe it or not, there's 17 courthouses throughout America that look like that. Where does the rock come from? 700 miles away from a rock quarry in Pecos, Texas. That's about 2 hours away from El Paso, everybody. That right there, my friends, is the civil courthouse. The criminal, right on the other side, called the Paul Elizondo Courthouse. That's the criminal. You don't want to go there. You already know there's so much going on here. Go down there, that's Southtown. Today's Thursday? Throwback Thursday. Yes. Down there at the clubs and all that good stuff. Have fun. Oh, Blue Star Cafe shuts at 5:30. But if you guys are there for lunch tomorrow, they will give you a tour of the back. They got a brewery back there. Blue Star Cafe and brewery back there, you guys. You want to leave a lock of love? You guys are couples out here? Right there. That is called locks of love. That right there is where thousands of couples come out and put locks on these fences right here.
Oh,
My
yeah.
wife and I, our first lock was a combination lock. We didn't know if it was going to work. We could come back and take it later. To this day, I got the combination of my wallet in my wallet. I don't know what the lock is. But you guys want to purchase one? Right over here. Indian Night Chapel. Buy your lock there and put the locks on our fences here.
That's hilarious.
They see me rolling, patrolling, boogie over country riding. Yeah. That's here, right here, look. Here's the church right here. That's in San Fernando. That's where Travis Louis Crockett and Bonham are buried. That is, by Juan Seguin. The church is in 1887 by Pope John Paul II. Toyota, yes, Texas, the Alamo, the Dallas Cowboys, the Texas Rangers. Well, this city's growing. You know where Sister City is? They got a riverwalk like us, 2.5 miles.
I'm wanting to go to this little
Kumamoto City, Japan.
Ooh.
That's our sister city. What did we get from them? Toyota. 65,000 new jobs with Toyota, you guys out here.
That's cool.
It's a whole new world of Riverwalk on that side. And then, of course, the Tiki Bar. I'm a legend as of Halloween night. That's grass skirt, coconuts. Yeah, oh, man, I'm down.
Let's go.
Where do y'all need to go? I can help you. You're lost? No? Okay, all right. I'm just right here. Yeah.
He's good.
Look behind me. Seriously. You see that little crap patch of building back there? Gray? Right there. You know the doors of the Alamo belong there? Yeah. If you went to the Alamo, those doors never belonged to the Alamo. The Alamo's been moved 3 times. It never had a roof. This icon was never there.
Huh.
Added by the 141st U.S. Army. The young lady that lived up there was Ursula Vidamenda. She's doing her shopping out here one day, and a young man blows in like the wind, and he sees her. He starts to follow her. He shows up, knocks on her door. Her dad answers, "May I help you?" "Yes, I saw a young lady at the plaza. She just arrived here, sir. Who is she? Can I please speak with her?" "Who are you?" "My name is Jim Bowie. I just want to speak." He courts her for 2 years. They marry. They live there happily. He dies at the Alamo. You know there's 2 Alamos, right? There are 2. The real one is here. The fake one, 2 hours away from here, down Highway 90, in a little town called Practicville. It was built for the Duke John Wayne. 1950 Walt Disney movie Alamo. It was bought just 2 years ago by who? Phil Collins on the rock group Genesis. He is a guru on Alamo and Texas history. He owned the 2nd best collection of Alamo artifacts other than A&M University.
Great movie.
Phil Collins. You guys want to do a cantina? Look, you see those 2 ladies right there? Go up the stairs. That is the oldest operating cantina in the whole state of Texas that opened up in the year of 1800, shut down Prohibition time. What happens, you guys, it became a speakeasy while it was a barber shop at Prohibition time. Here's the deal. The speakeasy is down here. It was a room. It's 15 feet below the riverbed. Up there, well, that right there, folks, is the counter. It's 85 feet long. You can fill it with 2 4,000 long net beers in it. Right inside, an old black and white movie theater called the Aztec. Shows up the year 1924. Fully air-conditioned.
Wow.
Water pipe organ that went along with the movie. It's been sold off. A custom-made 2,000-pound chandelier still hangs in the lobby. This is where Rudolph Valentino, Charlie Chaplin, Little Rascals, down to the Marx Brothers. In the 70s, I see Star Wars, Legend of Baggy Creek, Close Encounters. In the 80s, they shut it down. This is where Selena sat in real life. She and he sat everywhere here. Don't get it mixed up that was her first time. No, that's Jennifer's first time. 5 takes. Never been in the Riverwalk. This young lady, Selena, this was her home. Christopher's home, también. This was him. He still lives in town. His house looks like this now. He bought 3 lots in the old hood. He stayed straight there. We thought we were going to lose this woman. 30 years ago, this year, 30 years ago, she passed away. This April 16th, she'll be 54 years old. 54. Yeah. He's doing really good. We're proud of this boy. A lot of us, in fact, this Saturday, we're having our class reunion, but we're having a baseball game. He's showing up. Now, we're all going to play softball this Saturday. We're getting together. 95, you guys. Awesome story here. Bruce, Demeen, Sly, and Arnold are here. What are they doing? We're picking them up. Why? We're going to do a tour with them for an hour. No tour like this, but we're cruising them around. Why? Planet Hollywood. We take them for an hour, drop them off here, ribbon cutting ceremony, and then 2 days later, the NBA All-Stars come to town. That was their headquarters right there. They're headquartered from here all the way up to the Alamo Dome. Yes. That was expensive. Any nurses on my boat other than teachers, doctors, anybody? Take a look right here. Focus your attention right here. Watch this. When we come out, look straight up. 3, 2, look up. Look at the edge of the building. Look straight up. Right in front of you, sir. Look straight up. There you go.
Yeah.
See that? That was the first fully air-conditioned hospital in the world in 29 by Wales area. Who was later born there? Retired Marine Lieutenant Protocol Illinois. Comedian Carol Burnett. Country Hall of Famer George Strait. 4 years after I started working here, a young lady was born there. She's appeared already in 10 movies back to back. These movies are called The Fast and the Furious. Her name is Susan Rodriguez.
Yes.
Born there in 92. 6 months later, Steven Tyler and Aerosmith signed papers with Hard Rock. This is theirs for 2 decades. They relinquish and snap equipment. But when they opened up here, this was a 25-foot high wall, front and back of the cars, making no revenue. It opens up, voila. This came to life on this side, everybody. It all came to life here. Bring it to me. I'll sign it for you. 2007, I'm in their koozies, poker chips, their cards, shirts. 2 years. I got it, man. That's, buddy. Go to Austin. Go to Austin. You're going to see that there. You know what that guy's doing? We are, youth of the nation. We are. Yeah. He's just expressing himself. We still got a lot of that punk rock here. We got a St. Mary's trip.
Oh, yeah.
Man, you got some
Found a pirate.
tendencies.
Get it. There it is.
Jody Foster's Army. We've had, we've had a lot of great punk bands back there. Want to live on this side? Could have cost you. Alex Haley lived here. Tommy Lee Jones lived up there. An 18-year-old kid, George Schneider. Way before them, this was the elite. Germans of Little Rock District lived there. That was their casino. They gambled. They socialized. This was their place. Then gambling became illegal. They shut the place down. Went up north and started the little towns. Now, my friends, condos, apartments, restaurants, all types of food. Tex-Mex Italian, Tex-Mex French, Tex-Mex Portuguese, Tex-Mex German, Tex-Mex on top of Tex-Mex, and more Tex-Mex. I know you're saying, damn, but man, where's the Mexican food? Mexico? Yeah, this is Tex-Mex, y'all. Tex-Mex. See all those people up there? They're going to put spitballs on us. Wave at them, wave at them. They're going to throw stuff at us. Wave at them. Wave at them. The guys, the man that designed the Riverwalk, that's him right there. That's Robert H. Hubman, the father, the architect. He and his wife live right there. He and his wife leave San Antonio to live up for days in Mexico City. Again, Xochimilco. Restaurant right here. This is Casa Rio, 79 years old. You're going to the market square, Mi Tierra, La Margarita, Pico de Gallo, La Mariachi Bar. Mi Tierra, 100 years old. They know what they're doing. This right here, folks, this is it. Casa Rio. Leon's family, or Lyons family, are the owners of this one right here.
That's amazing.
Most of us are Gen Xers here. You guys remember a really cool movie called Cloak and Dagger?
Mm-hmm.
You remember E.T.?
Yep.
Little boy, okay, so he's a San Antonian, born and raised here. Yeah. So he did a movie called Cloak and Dagger. See this hammer right here? 67. Hey kid, what are you doing? I'm hiding from the bad guys, can you help me? No kid, get out of here. So Henry Thomas runs, he buys a ticket, he jumps on a boat, and the whole movie starts here in San Antonio on the Riverwalk. Dabney Coleman is Jack Black, the little action figure that comes with his imaginary friend. So the whole deal is spies put this messages in a video game. So they're looking for him and they're chasing him around the whole city here.
Yeah.
Cloak and Dagger, Henry Thomas. How about this one? 1968. Steve McQueen, Alan McGraw, The Getaway.
Great. I knew that one.
They ended the 1968 Fastback here in San Antonio. Pontiac ended the 68 GTO in
That's
this city.
beautiful.
Brigadier General Jefferson used to see USAA. Red Bay bought a recipe from a bag that later turned out to be world famous for chips, Fritos. This young man right here, he's a saint that we named the river and the city after. He is San Antonio, Saint Anthony de Padua, the patron saint of lost children, souls, sailors, articles, and the Catholic religion. Born on April 15, 1195 to a noble family in Lisboa. When he was born, mom and dad gave him the name Fernando. He's a great kid. By 13, mom, dad, I'm leaving. Where are you going? I'm going to join the monastery. Tony lived up to the age of 36 years old. He died on June 13, 1231. Council that he's buried in the Padua, Italy. You know why he stands here too? Ladies, but in the note it says, do not take my wife to the mall. This is the mall. This is one, it was you, huh? This is one out of 11 malls in the city of San Antonio. It is formerly owned by Edward J. Bartolo Jr. He is the former owner of the 49ers, the former owner of the hockey team, the Pittsburgh Penguins. He buys at 80, 80 for the dig, 88 is complete. This is 66,000 square feet of glass with over 1 million square feet of shopping with 125 stores inside this mall. If you would like to do some serious shopping, I would direct you to the River La Quintana or North Star Mall. If you got a vehicle, go I-35, past the Buc-ee's, and you're going to the Tanger Outlet Mall. Yeah, Chanel, Tiffany, Nordstrom, Prada, Jimmy Choo, that type of shopping, folks. You got it here. Tanger Outlet Mall, you cut the middleman. Yeah, that one almost got you. Feel the tip? Yeah. Something about you, sir, they like. The Final Four, right here, guys. This is where ESPN 2 or 1 is going to be broadcasting from here. They are going to be, yeah, here and the Arneson, that stage back there. This is where, how y'all doing? Everybody wait for these people right here. Teachers? No? No? Hi? Those aren't teachers. Let's get out of here. That's America's Most Wanted right there, people. That's America's Most Wanted. You guys are teachers here, right? You guys are teachers. You don't know. You don't claim them, right? Okay, let's get out of here. They're not part of this deal. They're the ones up on the bridge up there. They're vicious. These guys are doing a private charter. All right, good people, this is it. I'm going to bring you back to the dock, drop you up with that young lady's head over there at that red box. If you check a mugshot before you boarded this boat, she's got your mugshot for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hope you did a good job. Was it all right?
Well, that was the end of the boat tour. Our guide was very knowledgeable, not only of all the bars and restaurants and that tiki bar. I'm going to go back just for that. But he was also knowledgeable of the history of the area. And San Antonio, St. Anthony, wonderful place to go, wonderful boat tour, wonderful river walk, wonderful mall. So I hope this inspires you to go to San Antonio and do the river walk and take that boat tour. It's worth every penny. Now next, we've got something out of this world. Absolutely fantastic. A pizza place like no other. I hope you like it, because if you're a nerd or a geek or just love sci-fi, you're going to want to watch that one. So please hit that like and subscribe button. You sure help me with my YouTube channel. And don't forget to put in any comments about how to improve my channel. I want to make the best content I can for you. Again, I'm fairly new at this, so let's see what you have to say. I would love to understand how to make my videos a little bit better for you. And lastly, remember, find your own adventure. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.